Gentlemen, thanks for taking a few minutes to connect today and answer some questions. First question I wanted to ask you, Julian, is what recommendations do you have for enterprise organizations considering a front-end modernization initiative?
Sure. So the main recommendation I'd have is to zoom out, to make sure you're looking at it in the context of all the places in which the front end's going to have to live. There's no sense going deep on thinking about component libraries before you've thought about your design system, before you know where that's heading, where it is right now. Similarly, data's a big picture in organizations we work with now, and I think that if you get the data layer right as well as the visual layer, you're going to do well with your front end initiative.
Appreciate the response, Julian. Will, same question, and just to repeat it, what recommendations do you have for enterprise organizations considering a front-end modernization initiative?
Sure. I would recommend getting very clear on what your goals are for taking on such an initiative. Is it application performance, reducing maintenance costs, or are you changing your tech to unlock a larger pool of qualified developers that could contribute to your application? Some other things to consider when choosing the new tech: is it too new and unproven? Is it popular but losing steam? Technologies and frameworks that are strong today may not be strong tomorrow. And is there a thriving community of developers building supportive libraries?
Great insights. Thank you.